As the number of coronavirus cases are witnessing a sharp rise in India, the government has stepped up its fight. The authorities have been working round the clock to organize more facilities for both who have contracted the virus and those who are vulnerable. And it is due to these sustained efforts that they were in position to lift some more restrictions in country's second round of unlock, a phased transition from lockdown to normalcy.
The malls in the satellite cities of Indian capital New Delhi opened as the federal government eased restrictions on public places during the second phase of the reopening of a month-long lockdown. The move came in the lines of Indian government slowly restarting economic activities in a bid to get the economy back up after the lockdown imposed in March left millions without work. People visiting the malls are adhering to the set of guidelines issued by the government so that a further surge of infections could be prevented. Security staff won't allow anyone without essential protectives.
फेस मास्क हर आदमी के ऊपर होगा और हैंड ग्लोव हर आदमी के पास, पीपीटी किट इशू होगा, वो भी इंडिविजुअल आदमी का जो भी प्रॉपर चेकिंग होगी और जो भी कस्टमर आते हैं उनका सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का चेकिंग करने का तौर तरीके से एज पर एसओपी.
With one of the lowest fatality rates across the world, India, with the population of nearly 1.35 billion, has around 630,000 cases, out of which around 379,000 have recovered. Unlike the decisions many European and American countries took, which subsequently doomed, Indian government decided to put in strict restrictions at early stages and saved itself from getting overwhelmed with infected numbers. Integrated efforts of the state and federal government with an overwhelming public support have put India ahead of many developed countries in fight against the coronavirus. Today, the positive cases per million in India stand at 357 against global average of 1,250. While Indian mortality rate is 11 against the global numbers of 63.2, its recovery rate has been 57. The government says it has been relentless and has been ramping up all facilities across the country.
30 जून तक हमने 30,000 बेड बन जाएंगे. रेलवे कोचेस के अंदर 8,000 बेड बने और 8,000 की तैयारी है, मगर मैं अभी 8,000 ही गिन रहा हूँ. DRDO एक एक्सक्लूसिव कोविड अस्पताल बना रही है जिसमें 250 ICU बेड भी होंगे, विथ वेंटिलेटर होंगे, वो अलग से बने हैं. और 10,000 का ITBP संचालित राधा स्वामी सत्संग न्यास के बड़े कैंपस के अंदर बारिश की सीजन को ध्यान में रखकर हमने बेड बनाए हैं. इसको ITBP संचालित करें.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended the poor welfare campaign by 5 more months. This will ensure free food grains to 800 million people till November. PM Modi said that the government will keep providing free food grains to the poor section of the society due to the increased need during the festivals.